Sunderland spiral roundabout A1231 west to A19 north. Approaching the roundabout, check your rear view mirror, right mirror, then look to the right. When it's safe to proceed, look left, indicate left and make progress towards the next junction. We're going to turn right, third exit. Check your right blind spot, indicate right and move over into the right-hand lane if it is safe to do so. Approaching the roundabout, select the right lane, A19N. The middle lane goes to Washington and the A19S. You must take the right-hand lane here. Making progress onto the roundabout, we spiral left into the middle lane. Both right lanes are marked A19N. Of the two right lanes, given the choice, left is best. Look left, indicate left. Make progress down the acceleration lane. Use the full length of the acceleration lane. Right blind spot, indicate right and make progress up the A19 north.